Today, I want to really talk about something briefly, okay, concerning single mothers. Please, don't blame some single mothers. Don't blame some single mothers. Yes, that is just the title I want to really talk about. You may say, we should not blame the single mothers. Yes. Why should you blame a single mothers? Tell me one good reasons why you should blame some. The reason why I said some is that there are bad ones and there are good ones. It's the good one I want to really talk about. Okay? That's what I want to really talk about. That's the title. Don't blame some single mothers. Do you know the reason why I say you should not blame some single mothers? Some single mothers, they deserve love from us. They need love. They need care. They need us to even praise them. You understand? Don't you know that it is not easy? Even when husband and wife are still taking care of children, it's not even easy. Not talk of one person. Think about it. I want to really talk the reasons why I said you should not blame some single mothers. The reason why I said you should not blame some single mothers is that, one, have you ever asked yourself questions? Have you ever asked them questions? Why are they single? Have you ever thought or asked them what led to their single? There are reasons. Nobody just decided to wake up one day and to turn to single mothers. No. That is just the truth. And moreover, when they were coming to this earth, God does not destine them to be single mothers. There's nobody who said, when I come to this world, I'll become single mothers. My child will not have the love from his father. No woman on this earth. It is things that lead to that there were single mothers, and that is what I want to really talk about. And that is what I want to really like to tell people who are out there who really hate single mothers, especially those who are giving birth to 3 or 4. You understand? My dear, it's not their fault. Mostly the fault comes from men. Men, yes, the fault mostly it comes from men. And I will tell you the reason why I said mostly the fault comes from men is that there are some men, devil himself is better than them. You understand? There are some men, devil himself is better than them. Please, I'm talking to all men who are out there. If you know that woman in your house or that woman you are dating right now, you know deep down in your heart, nobody know your heart except you and God. You are not going to marry that woman. Let her go. There are a lot of men out there praying, laying down, doing fasting and praying, going for one places and other, praying for their destiny wife. And you, wicked man, you keep that woman out there. You know you're not going to get married to her. You want her to be producing children for you. And at the end, you will make her single mother. Yes, you are looking at me. That is the truth. It is men who contribute pain to those single mothers' life. There are some men, they will know that they don't marry outside their I don't know, I'm going to say, their country or their tribes. They know deep down their heart. If you are that kind of man that normally listen to parents, that normally listen to mother, my mother, no, we don't marry from outside, that's fine. Find your own personal, the same country or the same tribe to hook up to. Don't make that woman, don't make that beautiful woman, don't make that innocent woman single mother. They will know that if they listen to those their parents, well, we don't marry outsider. Fine, you know you don't marry outsider. The lady you are dating is from outsider. Let her go. There are a lot of men praying for that kind of lady to get married to. That woman, she's important to a lot of men out there. A lot of men are looking for that kind of woman. That's why I said this problem comes from men. Men, they know what they want, but they will not go straight. They will be trying one thing or the other to deceive all those girls. And another thing, my advice for those girls, those single mothers, please, especially those who are not even putting bets, too. It's not all whatever man says you have to take personal. Don't. Whatever, if man tell you 5 words, have it in mind that is even one that is even true or 0. Men, they are very wicked. I know it's not all. Some men, they are totally wicked. Devil is better than them. Devil is better than them. They will not marry that lady. They will not allow that lady to go. They will keep her. They will be discouraging. You should not even discourage. They will be like encouraging her. They will be lying to her, to that lady, so that lady will be there You see a lady who say, I've been dating this guy 13 years, 12 years, 25 years. How many years? 8 years, 5 years. You are in a relationship. And the man has not even talked about marriage. They just like you're wasting your time. Why your destiny husband are out there praying for you to come back to him? Then you know you're not going to marry that woman. Then you allow that woman to born for you. This also goes for to men. Men, you are the cause of single mother's problem. Because some men, but they will not use condom. They will like fresh body to body and let us be telling the truth. Let me be speaking broken English and correct English so that some people will understand what I'm talking about. By the time you know you love fresh to fresh and you're not ready to marry that woman, or that woman is not part of your plan, or you are not even ready to settle down, do you use fresh to fresh? The lady will be saying, no, don't use fresh now. You know, you are not ready now. You'll be saying, no, baby, no, I love you. Love care. Love you there. After using ordinary body, then later baby will come. You'll be saying, you'll be looking for excuse to give to that woman. The worst part of it, so me or you say, instead of them to just go straight and forward, please, we have to look for solution. Because me, I'm not ready to marry. They'll just say, okay, no problem now. You can just born the child now. Just born the child. By the time they born child, when you know you as a man, you know what it takes to take care of. Even to take care of yourself is difficult to talk of. Adding somebody else to it, then that will make it 3. You, the lady, you, and the child. 3. Do you know how much Pampers costs? Do you know how much baby food costs? You have not yet take good care of yourself, even other things. So you want to have child. By the time you use skin to skin, then you produce child. You say devil. Then you'll be looking for one way to frustrate that beautiful and young lady life, so that you just, so that you frustrate her, so that you go. God will judge you. Me are the cause of some single ladies' life. They are the cause. Okay, let me also talk about abuse, violence. There are some men, they are just like animals. When this lady have not gotten to your hand, the lady is beautiful. There's no mark, there's nothing in their body. But by the time the lady, they are not together, you come and see beating up and down. If that lady was blind when she was single, will you go and date her? Will you even talk to her? To even be your friend, not talk up to be dating? You will not. I know men love big good things. Let me be telling you the truth. Men, all those men that normally do those bad things, I want you to change, because you also have sisters. What goes around comes around. So that's why you see some of them, after destroying other fine young ladies out there, after making a lot of ladies single mothers, they'll be looking for vengeance, beautiful girls. May God punish those men who normally do this. You will see everywhere single mothers. It's not their fault. When you go closer to them, they have stories to tell you. By the time they tell you their stories, my dear, you won't even feel love. You won't feel like loving somebody, or to even have anything that has to do with love. You as a man, it's difficult for 2 people to take good care of children. Do you know? See, if people should be clapping for those single ladies, it's not easy. It's not what? Easy. There are some bad single mothers who I don't want to talk about that today. That one is maybe to be another day. There are bad ones. I'm not talking about the bad one, but I'm talking about those innocent ones. Those ones that those men deceive. Those ones that those men, they frustrated their life. They turned their life from beautiful ones to bad ones. That's what I'm talking about. Women, please stop this. Don't listen to any man. Any man, they say, I will do this, I will do that. My dear, it's a story. Don't listen to those things. If you want to like probe the guy, tell the guy, okay, do it first. Do it first. Let me see you. That is start actions. Actions speak louder than voice. Start it. Let me start seeing it. That's why a lot of girls say you make a lot of mistakes. Don't believe those men. When a man says I will marry you, story. Have you introduced you to his parents? No. What do you know about him? No, nothing. Then mistakenly you have baby. Then single mother, everywhere single mother. Then those another set of men again, different type of men that cause problem, that cause single mothers pain, problem. Another one again. There are some They'll leave their wife in Africa. They'll travel down in this Europe. By the time they travel down to this Europe, they'll forget those one that's Zato. They'll say those one is old cargo. Come on. God will punish you for doing that. God will punish you for doing that. Why can't you just keep yourself so that when you come here, you come and continue with the guests you see here? Or instead of them to try much as possible to bring that one that is in Africa down to this place, they will abandon that one. They'll say, oh, that one is old cargo. She doesn't have a level. She doesn't have fashion. She's not. Oh God, I don't know what to call it. Which is really wrong. They are the cause of some good single mothers' problem. They are the cause. No other. My dear, please don't judge them. Don't judge those single mothers. Some, I'm not saying all. Some, don't judge them. Because before you judge them, go closer to them. Ask them. Their stories is full of tears. It is me who put them in that positions. It is me, no other person. A man will promise you, I will marry you. At the end, marriage will not come. Then the woman becomes single mother. Or they say she's no longer beautiful again. She just give birth to one baby. Her stomach is big. She's old. She's no longer the way I thought she is. Me, you have to repent too. You have to repent from your evil. Because majority of those men, devil is better than them. Anybody that devil is better than, in short, is just zero, nothing good about them. And don't also forget that don't destroy other people's zone, then you expect your own to be better. After destroying, make a lot of single mothers out there. What you imagine, this Europe is even worse. It's even worse. It's worse. They will not stick to one woman. They will be jumping from A to B. They will have single mother in Germany, single mother in Italy, Holland. They mention them. They'll be deceiving all those girls. They will be deceiving them. I don't have baby. I have not married. Did you see my hand? Did you see ring in my hand? They don't see anything. They'll be telling them. And you know women now, they can easily fall, especially when love is there. These are the problem. Men are the one that cause those good, innocent, single mothers. They are the one that cause them. They cause them tears. They cause them pain. They frustrate their life. They turn their stories upside down. And which is really wrong. You know marriage is not made for a week. Yeah, you promise. Don't forget you have sister. Don't forget whatever you do to those single, you make those fine, beautiful young lady to be single mother. Don't forget you also have sister. Just sit yourself down as a man. If they do it to your sister, will you like it? Will you like it? Because nobody can fight for her. Because she doesn't have level. Or because she's no longer beautiful. You frustrated her. Or because, no, do you know what will normally happen here in Europe? Money is another point again. There are some other petting those fine ladies, those innocent ones, promising them heaven and earth. By the time you just have one baby or maybe just pregnant, say, come and go to Germany now. Come and go to Germany. When you were just using those skins to skin, you don't know you use condom. You don't know it will produce baby whereby you cannot even buy pampers, not talk of the food. Or not talk of your own personal things. You don't know. Now come and go to Germany. And those women that normally go to Germany, you are also the cost too. You will stay with the man there. Anything both of you see, you eat. They say, come and go to Germany. They go perere. They go. I don't know. I'm going to say they will perere. The woman will really carry a bag and go to Germany. Then you become single mother. Then after, it will not even get to like 1 month or 2 months. You will still go and find another babe, find one beautiful more than you, the one that can be giving him money. You come and put it at home. That one will still be, cooking, feeding. Because the girl will be thinking, well, maybe he has not got married. I didn't see any woman things in his house. My dear, girls or single ladies, wake up. All the single mothers need to stop for those innocent ones. Okay? Thank you so much for watching, okay? And God bless you.